India Rocks, I think there were couple of things that we really were looking at. One is the basic fact that internet is a word of mouth tool, and then the fact that web is not powered by technology alone. Now it's actually powered by people, and we understand these two facts, and that's the basic philosophy we follow. We are trying to make people's life simpler and enjoyable online. But apart from the innovation in terms of how we enable people to be in touch, with each other, and also share their own content, we are trying to focus more on the premium content, offering premium content for our users, and that's where our goal is going to be. And when we talk about entertainment content, we are talking about 360-degree view of the content. We're talking about movies, we're talking about games, we're talking about music, we're talking about cricket as well. So thereby, because we understand the fact that no user, I think as every user would have more than one form of entertainment interest. So that's where we are trying to use. So I think content has been our main focus, and at the same time, we also looked at SMS networking, which actually played a key role. The overall design of the SMS networking itself changed over a period on our platform. It made a huge difference. So being local, we were able to offer the SMS networking. That really helped us a lot. And then being local, we were able to partner with all the local content owners and become an enabler for them in terms of distributing their content on our platform. And we bring all the content owners together instead of trying to create like 10 different applications, like what a Facebook or what a Output does. So thereby allowing the content to be at one single place, thereby allowing all the social recommendations to happen from through one single application. So the social recommendation, the social interaction, the sharing part of it is not fragmented between like 10 different applications. It's all at one single place. So there's more activity happening and consumption happening on the content. And I think that's where we'll continue to focus on going forward. So if you look at India Rocks, I think we have three different segments of revenue opportunities. One is the plain banner advertising, and also the SMS advertising. I think that's like given, there's no rocket science in it. But at the same time, I would like to mention that on India Rocks, we see extremely high CTRs, but not in the areas where the users are communicating with each other, but in the content zones. So that way, I think we experience pretty good CTRs. We are also already able to run SMS campaigns on our network. And now the key focus area for us is the branding solutions, and also linking it with ROI-based campaigns. And we're already seeing extremely great opportunity out there. The third focus area for us is the transactions. We're trying to focus more on microtransactions. We know the payments is an issue, but we know we're already able to solve that to a certain extent. We have been pretty much up there. We're the #1 partners for online movie ticketing for Book My Show in terms of the portals, and we are also the #1 partner for photo printing service. And we're going to introduce more and more services onto our site, which would be of relevance to our users. So they're talking. Even a pizza company, for example, is actually talking to us and trying to sell pizzas on our store on India Rocks. I think that it's going to go to that level, and I think commerce is going to surely pick up in a social platform like ours. Typically, they're all 50% of our audience comes from the metros, and the remaining 50% come from tier 2 and even the villages. Actually, the extremely small towns that you probably would have never heard of. So that way, I think we have an extremely good geographical spread across India. And in terms of numbers, we have 3 million members on the site. In terms of impressions, we have close to 60 million impressions per month currently happening in terms of page views on the site. So I think the core focus is, again, as I mentioned, that we strongly believe that it's a people site. We strongly believe that it's a word of mouth way that you need to really get the users hooked on your platform. There's a very strong reason for that. So when you advertise, people generally tend to look at the advertisement, they come out to the platform, they really don't know what exactly to do on the site. Because in an ad, you cannot really pinpoint what an X, Y, or a Z would like. But whereas when an invitation is actually going out, and the invitation is actually personalized, the user is able to tell what exactly is your friend supposed to be looking out in the platform. So thereby, they really clearly know what they are supposed to be using, what they are supposed to be doing on the site. Thereby, slowly building up more traction and usage on the site. And that's what's been helping us grow. key thing, I think, believe in what you're trying to do. Again, be very confident at the same time, allow criticism, understand why certain people are actually criticizing your product. Understand the core focus. If you're looking at Western company or Western websites and trying to emulate them here, understand the basic focus. It's not just the numbers that they actually have got. Understand how they've actually got the numbers. What is the value that they're actually providing to the end users. And don't worry about your competition. As long as your product is good, as long as you've built an extremely good product, it will surely benefit.